In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a survey or quiz in your campaign using the drag and drop editor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right tools, how to place them into your design, and how to customize your questions so you can collect useful feedback without overwhelming your audience. First, head to your campaigns area. This is your central hub for all ongoing and upcoming communications. Once you're there, open the Drafts tab. Drafts are where you can safely build and refine your content before anything goes live, so it's the perfect place to work on interactive elements like surveys and quizzes. Find the campaign where you want to add the survey or quiz. If you don't already have one set up, create a new campaign and select the drag and drop editor. This editor is designed to make building your layout intuitive, letting you assemble your content piece by piece without any coding. Inside the campaign editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see content categories that organize different types of blocks you can add. Locate the category labeled Special. This is where the interactive elements live, including the survey and quiz blocks you'll be using. If you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar until Special appears. Now click and hold either the survey block or the quiz block, whichever fits your goal, and drag it into your campaign. Drop it exactly where you want it to appear in the layout. Think about placement. Near the top can boost participation, while placing it after a short introduction can provide helpful context before someone responds. With the block in place, look to the right side panel. This is where you'll customize everything. Add your questions here and adjust the text so it's clear and concise. Focus on one idea per question and use simple language. If multiple question types are available, choose formats that make responses quick and easy, like multiple choice for quick decisions or short text for open feedback. Keep it brief to reduce drop-off. 3 to 5 questions is often a sweet spot for engagement. You can also refine labels, tweak styling to match your brand, and ensure spacing looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Before wrapping up, read through your questions from your audience's perspective. Make sure the purpose is obvious and that you're not asking for sensitive information you don't truly need. Clear, respectful wording tends to increase response rates and data quality. And that's it. You've navigated to your campaign, added a survey or quiz block from the special category, and customized your questions in the right side panel for a polished, engaging experience.